15 minutes. Beautiful. Right, so in this, my friend is going to create his own desktop as well as I'm going to run him through it. So we have our parts underneath that we need. This is your CPU, so if you like, motherboard, so if you like to put that against your leg there,
thank you.
it'll be fine, it'll be fine. So if you like to start undoing your case. I'll get mine out here. I'll still do mine.
That was easy enough.
Okay.
Cheeky.
Mine is a bit big. There you go. Pop these up against the front there, like that, on your side. You just put it against that way. There we go. So we've both got CPU and motherboard, sorry. We've both got motherboards. And what we're going to do is we're both going to insert them. If you like to follow my lead on this one. I like to hold that there and hold this there. So I'm holding it like that.
What, the blue
So
one?
your right hand on the blue, your left hand on the memories.
Yeah.
Right, this is for my orientation, so that's perfect for you. So now what I want to do is slide this in first, like that. Underneath here. And then fit it in through the IO shield. Can you see?
There we go.
There we go. Now I want you to use these screws to fasten them in. I'm going to do this properly with this screw as well, which is different. Let me just put that in first, so it's your guide one.
Ah.
Alright, there we go. So if you'd like to put them in for me please. I'll start doing my other designs. Start putting the ECC RAM into mine. It's only 1 GB because it's only going to be used as a router, as it is only a simple computer. Wrong way around. There we go.
Is there no specific order?
No, it's no specific order. As long as you get some screws in, that's fine.
Just get some screws.
Just get some screws in. Now the CPUs that we're using are classified products.
Oh, okay.
As in they are not marked at all. I think these are I have no idea. Can't fault that. I'm going to start putting my CPUs in first.
You do, I need some screws.
Exactly. The blue ones with the blue.
Oh, they're there. I
Indeed.
thought you just had one screw there.
No.
You just had to. Very organised compared to me.
See, now that I've got these CPUs in, I'm going to lock them into place, like so. I didn't have time to clean the heat sinks, so unfortunately you're going to have to do it once.
Well, I mean, it's not going to get turned on anyway.
Yeah, it's just only for purpose.
Just make sure, obviously,
Exactly.
if the people at home are doing this themselves.
Right, I'm going to orientate mine so that the holes on the motherboard correlate with the holes on the CPU cooler.
They're on my.
Let's have a look. We've got one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there. Perfect. You are missing one here though.
Oh, I didn't realise that was one.
Yeah, there was one there.
Had metal ones.
It's alright. It's the wrong heatsink.
Did the metal bit come off on this one or something?
Yes.
Ah, that makes sense.
Indeed it did. Oh, there's the heatsink. I had the wrong heatsink.
Right, so you put in your screws in there.
Yep, I'll put my screws in. Would you like to do my, do what I did here? With the CPUs, you want to get the golden corner dot there, if it will focus, here, matching up with the black corner dot on each of the sockets. So the hole on there, yep, you got the right orientation, that's fine.
And then you just snap the latch, is it?
Uh-huh.
Maybe.
Is that the last one?
Should I just put any super?
Yeah, let's use this one. I think I might actually turn mine on just for an end part of the video. I might turn yours on as well.
Well, I thought you couldn't because of the heat sinks and shit.
That's fine. As long as there's a barrier, we're not going to be turning it on for a very long time. Are you done with that now?
Yeah.
We'll just put one of these screws in just to keep it in. I'm not going to...
I have built a PC before, so...
Yeah.
It's pretty easy to put in. I'll pop the RAM.
Yep, pop the RAM in.
Does it actually need to go a specific way?
Yep. Wrong way around?
Yeah.
Did the same thing.
Not built a PC since time. For a very long time.
Yeah, there's going to be like server freaks like screaming at us right now. Oh, why the fuck did you do that?
I don't know! It's amateur hour.
Amateur hour. Amateur hour.
Well, amateur 15 minutes, but you know.
Yeah, 15 minutes. So now that we'll cut this down, it's probably going to be a 2-part video.
Yeah.
So now that I've just about done mine, got one last screw to put in. There we go, like that. Now I want you to do the same thing as what I did on the breakdown. Corner each time, align these with the holes in the sockets. Cool, sounds good. I'm just going to check how much time we got left. Oh, there we go, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Sounds good, here you go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the PCIe extensions. Now this will show when the case is on and the PCIe extensions from the motherboard.
I don't
Now
know
this
which way to screw it.
lefty, loosey, right side.
Are you sure though?
Yep.
Lefty, lazy, right side.
There we go. Plonk mine in. Now, there is a bracket that you can have which supports this, but as of yet I do not have one at the moment.
Doesn't feel like it's going in, to be honest.
Oh, it is.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, I need to push down a bit more. You're not actually touching the board because it's a spring-loaded one. So you need to push down initially until you hear it latch. There you go.
Like that.
Yeah. Then the latch on that side. Yep. There we go. Oh, nearly missed. Right, I'm going to go ahead and just place these on the socket itself. There we go. And this one on the socket. Be very careful with the alignment. That's in position. Now, I want to have a boot drive of mine, so I think I'm going to... Unfortunately, Dino, mine will not have a disk drive. Yours will. After that, you can install that. Same way as I did.
I didn't see the way you did it, but I'll give it a go.
If you look.
But I'll guess.
Yeah, just same as plonking a normal USB cable in.
Right.
PCIe cable. I'm moving yours up. There we go.
Why you no go in? Come on. I don't want to force it down and snap it.
Fair enough. Right, so second heatsink, forgot. Let me just put mine in quickly. You align yours.
Actually, a lot easier to put on than I expected. So I thought there'd be a lot of fiddling to do it, but no. I just thought you'd... How much, if you were to put obviously heatsink on, which you should be doing anyway, how much would you say put on?
As in thermal paste?
Yes.
I would put on around, if you ever think of, right, a normal screw head, as you can see here, you might not be able to focus, but a normal screw, that's probably the amount of thermal paste you would need to put on. So small, it's not a lot really you can do there.
So it's not like the whole 50p thing, you know, like when
Nope.
you're washing your hair. No, you can get 50p and put it through your hair. No, I put how fucking much I want to.
Right.
What would happen if you put too much on?
Nothing. Nothing will happen at all. It's if you put too little. Okay, so we are done on both sides. So now what we want to do is install the front I/O. So if I pass you that and that, you're going to be using these two screws here to install that.
So that goes.
That goes at the front here, you can see. Just really dirtied my hands.
Easy to put in.
Yeah, I know, it's quite easy, isn't it? I'm going to be putting my hard drive in.
It's like when you look at it, you sort of think it's going to be really like complicated, but then you actually come to do it and it's like,
Yeah.
actually, no, it's not.
It's really not.
Unless you suffer with a tremor, in which case you struggle.
You'll struggle a lot in life doing that.
Well, they have made that new spoon that makes people tremor.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You need to put yours in.
Yes, I do. Mine is here. I'll put mine in now. Do you want to start installing this? You screw it there.
Your hands. Ew, it's not in properly. My bad. There is actually a specific part.
Oh, that's fine. That's my eye shield in. Would you like to now place a hard drive in your...
Yes.
So, first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to grab yourself a boot drive, and I'm going to get you a socket. For my many... I've got here.
It's only 160 gigabyte.
Yeah, it's only a boot drive.
Mine's about the same. It's like
Yeah.
100. Which way around does it go?
Well, if you think the hole to put it in there is there, so you need to put it in.
No, I
That
mean
way.
as in which way does the
Oh,
hard drive
upside
go
down,
around?
upside down.
So
Yes.
making sure that obviously the
You'll be placing mine in as well.
Does it not snap into place in this thing?
Nope, you need to screw it in with, you guessed it, those screws.
So-
Now these aren't gonna go inside here.
Oh, I didn't see those parts there.
That's fine. And mine is not going to have a DVD drive nor a backup hard drive, just to save time. You only need to put one in for now.
You sure?
Yeah.
So, I'm
So,
just thinking about the other side.
actually, yeah, just probably put one on the other side.
Put it on the opposite corner.
Yep. So,
Obviously, if you're doing it at home, I'd probably put all four in personally. But, yeah.
there you go. It's all the way in. There we go.
There you go.
Beautiful. Now, the next part for you is to use these. Let me move this CPU. Is to use these blue headers, and what I want you to do is attach this into the disk drive and just plonk these through. You don't need to force these through; they will literally just slip right in to the holes, as if you were screwing something down.